I'm gonna take you along today with me just for my day. So I'm gonna get ready. Let's have a good day together. Okay? Let's go to the grocery store. I've never brought my camera to the grocery store before. I'm a little nervous, I'm a little scared, but I think it's gonna be okay. I wrote a grocery list of everything we're gonna make today, and I'm so excited. We're gonna make two things: a banana bread that I have been wanting to film and make for a very long time, but I thought of a way I could make it a little more fun. And we're gonna do a fun chicken thigh recipe that I haven't made yet. So best of both worlds, something sweet and something not sweet. Also, I'm wearing this Frankie's dress that I love so much and a Tylee Malibu bag. I went a little crazy on eBay and got a few. I love these chocolate chips. We're back. I did it. And it wasn't that bad. I got a baguette because I think this will go well with the chicken, I think. More bananas for the fun thing I'm gonna do with the banana bread. Basil chicken thighs. Semi-sweet chocolate chips for the banana bread, baby spinach, a bunch of yellow peaches, 2 heirloom tomatoes, all for the chicken. I also got cherries for myself because I have been really loving cherries lately. 2 shallots and an orange blossom hand sanitizer because those things at the checkout always get me. I set my lights up because while I'm vlogging, I'm also going to film this on my phone for a video, a cooking video to post that I record on my phone. So we have 2 things going on. Also, I just realized that I bought boneless, skinless chicken thighs and I need bone-in skin on. So I just ordered the correct chicken thighs. So I guess that means we're gonna start with the banana bread. Do that first while we wait for the new chicken to arrive. I'm gonna change my outfit. I'm gonna wear 2 different outfits for each recipe. So you just get to see like the behind the scenes of all of it, I guess is what this is. So I'm gonna go pick out an outfit for banana bread. Let's see what makes sense with banana bread. It's a fun angle. Okay, I just started filming and making banana bread. Phone's here, and I'm making it here, and you're gonna be set here. These cherries are so good. That was good. No. Well. Now it's time for dry ingredients. Flour. 2 cups of flour. This recipe is my mother's. She has been making this banana bread for my sister and I for as long as I can remember. And I've always wanted to do a video on it, so I'm glad I'm doing it now. Where's my baking soda? Look at how cute my new salt thing is. I got it at an antique store. It came with a whole tea set, but I used this for salt. I always want to lick this. No, I shouldn't, but whatever. I'm mashing my bananas down here. And I really mash them, look how cute my plate is. I'm really mashing them because I don't want like any chunks. I love when the bananas are so mashed in there. This part's a work. Making banana bread is honestly kind of a workout. So if you didn't work out today, but you made banana bread, you did work out. I don't know why I keep eating the banana. I cannot believe I bought dairy-free chocolate chips. I did have a few semi-sweet of these left, thankfully. Hopefully that'll be enough. Okay, I'm gonna go record the part where I pour it into the loaf in my spot over there because lighting will be better and I want to do a shot pouring the dough in. So hold on. I got the correct chicken. I just put the banana bread in the oven. There she is. But I'm gonna start on the chicken now, which means I have to change my outfit. Doing two at once is a lot. I'm back in a new outfit. Cute, right? Oh. I'm getting hungry. I kind of waited to eat because I wanted to eat this, obviously. But it's taken a bit longer than I anticipated, so I haven't eaten yet. I'm getting really hungry. So let's start doing this. I'm gonna marinate it in a bowl. I'm not doing it for as much time as you're required to because filming, we gotta speed things up a little bit. Okay, I also have not tried this recipe before. It is one that I've been dying to try. The website I got it from is Cooking with Cocktail Rings. They have great recipes, but this is where I found this one. I'm changing it a tad bit. I got this strawberry rose vinegar at, was it a farmer's market or a store not too long ago? So I want to add that in and I might change a few things because I'm doing this all in our lynnee pan rather than in the oven, which is different from how they do it. So a few things are gonna be changed about with this recipe. Okay, let me set my phone up. Look at how cute these measuring cups are my aunt and cousin got for me for my birthday. I realize you can't even see me. I created a little chicken marinade with olive oil, honey. I used two types of honey. I used this sunflower honey, so it's a little thicker, balsamic vinegar, and a little bit of the strawberry rose vinegar. It already smells so good. And it's like a nice thickness. Chicken is marinating. What do I do next? Let's check on our bread. Oh my gosh, the muffins are definitely gonna be done sooner. Keep them up here. Okay. I'm now filming over here. My chicken that has been marinating, we're gonna put in the pan, but I want it to be hot. Also, I took the muffins out probably at around 45 minutes. They smell really good. It's looking really good. Look at this chicken. Oh my gosh, it smells insane already. And it's like caramelizing it. I can't wait. I just flipped the chicken. Please look at this. Are you serious? Wow. The caramelizing of the bananas has started. The chicken is sitting under here. Still cooking a little bit. Oh my god, it smells insane. Since the banana bread I just took out and is looking gorgeous, I started on the bananas. I'm gonna put those on top of a slice and make it look gorgeous. I'm trying to get back in the swing of toasting stuff. So I'm over here plating my banana bread. Wanna see how it's going? This is what we have going on here, my phone. This is my little area. Look at the banana bread with the caramelized onion. I mean, oh my god, not onion! Caramelized banana that I just put on top on my cute little plate. I did it. Look at how beautiful our chicken turned out. I'm so impressed and happy and satisfied. Look at how gorgeous this is. But first, well, actually this outfit is the chicken. So I'm gonna eat the chicken first, I guess. Oh wow, this looks so juicy and so good. Holy shit. Get some of the peach. Oh my god. Holy cow. I cannot believe how juicy this is. Like, also the peaches are so good. This is shockingly incredible. Not that I expected it to be bad. This is better than I expected. I'm like over the moon. I'm like not exaggerating. I need you to eat this. I'm gonna change my outfit so I can film the banana. Changed, ready to try. Oh my god. Are you serious? This can't be real. Oh my god. No, I actually cannot breathe. This is the best banana bread I've ever had. I'm not kidding. I'm not even trying to hype myself up. Like, I own up when I fail. I'm honest when I try something and it doesn't work out, but this, holy shit. Also, I'm gonna put all the recipes of the things that I made today in the description with full ingredients and full description, so it's there for you to try. I cannot believe this. The bananas on top, I'm so glad that came to my mind today. Oh my god. This was really fun. Let me know if you like this style of like kind of seeing me vlog throughout the day, but also cook with me, and also the BTS of me filming my cooking video on my phone. I'm gonna do my puzzle. I'm gonna look through the footage and edit. I have some work to do. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, night, evening, afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. Love you. Bye.